This escalator has been out of service for months now. I can go up, but I can't come down. Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the South OC Cars and Coffee. I'm actually a little late today. It's like the show's been on it for an hour. It goes from 9 to 11 and it's now 10:10 and I see the coffee's gone and cars are coming and going. So anyway, let's see what cars are still remaining here. So here we have the Cars and Coffee merchandise tent. And I see this is Cars and Coffee's newest sponsor is the BMW Performance Driving School. So if you want to learn how to drive a car really, really fast, and you want to do it in a BMW, yeah, the newest sponsor. All right. And here we have Simon's Camaro, his son James's Audi R8. The other sponsor, Poststar. These are the Poststar 2. And this is SHAiR. If you have a hot car that you want to make money on and rent it out to people, this is what SHAiR does. SHAiR allows you to make money on your supercar. Oh, nice Pista. Beautiful red interior. GT2 RS, J Sport GT, and SLC Superlight. Yeah, apparently this is still a work in progress, not finished yet. Yeah, but this is a kit car, and it's powered by a twin turbo, twin intercooled Ford Coyote V8. The owner tells me it makes about 1,300 horsepower, and this car weighs only 2,400 pounds. So with that kind of power to weight ratio, this thing is crazy fast. So check out the floor. The seats obviously not meant for road trips. I mean, there's no padding, no nothing on it. It also has a manual shifter. Wow. There you go. Removable steering wheel. That's the only way you can get out. Cool. And this, I think this thing will win the wing of the week. This is a huge, huge rear wing. Yeah. SLC Superlight. The kit starts at about $43,000, and you can add options there. Like you can get this stuff is extra, having a carbon fiber roof is extra, but basically you can build one of these things in this configuration. You could probably build it for about $150,000, and considering the performance, 1,300 horsepower and 2,400 pounds, that's a supercar killer right there. All right. Audi R8, and we have it's a GTR, Nissan GTR. Skyline GTR. Right-hand drive. There you go. Right-hand drive, manual. Ferrari 458 Italia Spider. The last of the natural aspirated V8 from Ferrari. And probably the best sounding V8 you can get right now. At least until the Z06 comes out. Dogecoin Audi. See? Dogecoin. A duck on a car. Interesting. Okay. McLaren. MP412C. DB11. Austin Martin DB11. This is the V12 version. AMG GT. And yeah, that's a lot of supercars are gone. They come early, they leave early. And over there I see a bunch of Porsches, including the V8 Power Renegade. And this very unassuming Nissan GTR, which I bet SHAiR has a big modified motor. You can always tell by looking at the exhaust. Gives you a little hint. And there you go. Check out that titanium exhaust. Huge 4-inch pipes. Here we have another kit car. This is a Factory 5 GTM. It's based on the a Corvette C5 or C6 Corvette, and so you can see here's the Corvette motor is lower, and it's relatively pricing wise, well, the same as the other one. How's the headroom?
Fine.
Oh, he's fine. I'll probably hit the roof.
Hey John, how you doing?
Good, how you doing, buddy?
You.
All right. I gotta see you. This particular unit, this for sale. The owner's asking $55,000, and check out the steering wheel. It's got more buttons than NASA.
Press it. The red button, your thumb. Thumb.
How does it work? What's the big?
Right here.
Oh, that's a horn.
The lights.
The lights. It's just like a Formula One car.
Okay, you can press this.
Big vintage Rolls Royce. Spirit of SSC, and it is for sale. Oh, this is nice. This is the Lexus LC500 Spider, or convertible. And yeah, this is perfect for California. So, if you're looking for a sports car that's a little different, that's not, you don't see everywhere. Like the thing is, you see all the Porsches, the Corvettes and Ferraris, they're great and all, but in California, they're everywhere. Like they're a dime a dozen. But this thing here, this Lexus, yeah, you can be pretty much assured you're not going to see yourself coming and going. And it's less expensive than a typical Ferrari or Porsche. Here is the coupe version of that same Lexus LC500. So, if the convertible won't do it for you, perhaps the sporty lines of the coupe will. C8 Corvette next to a race-ready ZL1 Camaro. Yeah, with a Magnuson supercharger too. So the standard supercharger is not enough. The owner had to add a even bigger one. Check out the spikes on those wheels. Nice. Yeah, if you come to Cars and Coffee, come early, because even though the show runs to 11 o'clock, after 10, everyone starts leaving. So normally this would be filled with cars. The Nissan 300 normally comes with a twin turbo V6, but the owner of this particular vehicle did an engine swap. He swapped out the motor for a GTR motor. Inline 6, humongous turbo. Check that out. So you got the air goes in here with no air filter. Goes through the turbo. The air comes through here and then through the giant intercooler. Wow. And then comes on this side into the engine. And since it's an inline 6, the exhaust is only one. So normally instead of a dual exhaust, it's got one big wonking exhaust out hit out the back. Wow, that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. SRT Hellcat. Cool Hellcat logo. Sure why this isn't in Supercar row. Ferrari F8 Spider.
My buddy's dad has a Coyote.
Got this classic Ford hot rod. Yeah. No mufflers, no nothing. Just straight pipes out the back. A tunnel ram. And 2 Harley double pumper carburetors. Oh, yeah. and my favorite, the bus driver steering wheel. Yep. No, this little Mazda Miata did not break its wheels. That's actually the way it drives. Yeah. To each their own, I say. If you want to drive this way, go for it. GT3 RS, and I see a Big Boy Toys CA.com. McLaren GT, GT3, And yeah, emptying out the parking lot. Okay, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 to 11. I recommend you actually get here before 10 because after 10, people start leaving, and a lot of the good cars have already gone. They come early and they leave early, like I said. So come early. John Shao, JohnShao.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.